Hi, my name is Lana. I am sharing from Saqqara University. I am a graduate student in chemistry and science. Now we will talk about evaluation of total phenol and flavonoid of polygala major in different solvents. Contents: Introduction, Aims, Material and Methods, Results, References. Introduction. Before the introduction of chemical medicines, man relied on the healing properties of medicinal plants. Some people value these plants due to the ancient belief which says plants are created to supply man with food, medical treatment, and other effects. It is thought that about 80% of the 5 billion people of the world live in the least developed countries, and the World Health Organization estimates that about 80% of these people rely almost exclusively on traditional medicine for their primary health care needs. Medicinal plants are the backbone of traditional medicines, which means more than 3 billion people in the less developed countries utilize medicinal plants on a regular basis. Our plant is Polygala major. Polygala major, its other name is pig milkweed, which is described by Nicholas Jacquin, which is subthermophilic and oligotrophic species belonging to the genus Polygala. Like other species of the genus Polygala, may contain bitter substance and also has medicinal properties. It grows on rock slopes and costs up to 2,215 meters above sea level. It blooms between May and September. It is mostly 10 to 40 centimeter length and may be reached to 60 centimeter in length. Now, phenolic compounds and flavonoids. Phenolic compounds are a class of chemical compounds consisting of hydroxyl group bonded directly to an aromatic hydrocarbon group produced by plants and microorganisms, as they are widely present in the food consumed in human diets and in plants. Some phenols are germicidal and are used in formulating disinfectants. Now, flavonoids are a group of bioactive compounds that are extensively found in the foodstuff of plant origin. Their regular consumption is associated with reduced risk of a number of chronic diseases such as cancer and cardiovascular diseases. Aims. First aim is investigation the amount of phenolic compound in polygala major. The second aim is investigation the amount of flavonoid in polygala major. Material and method. The first step in material and method is sample collection and preparation. The plant was collected from Saqqara University at May of 2022, dried after separation into leaves and flowers, then ground to form powder. Extraction. We do two types of extraction. In the first type, we use 0.5 gram of a plant mixed with 20 milliliter of solution. Our solutions are 80% acetone, 80% ethanol, and 80% methanol. Then extracts incubated at 25 to 30 degrees centigrade in 115 rpm for 24 hours. Then centrifuged twice at 4000 rpm for 15 minutes. After that, filtered by filter paper. Extracts were kept at minus 22 degrees centigrade to use in tests later. Now, ultrasonic extraction. In this method, we use 0.5 gram of a plant mixed with 20 ml of solution, and we use ultrasonic probe. After that, centrifuged at 4000 rpm in 15 minutes. After that, filtered by filter paper. Then extracts were kept at minus 22 degrees centigrade to use in the tests later. Now, determination of phenolic compound. In this method, we use Folin assay, gallic acid as a standard curve, and we use a spectrophotometer, which is wavelength is 765 nanometer. The principle of the Folin assay is the reduction of Folin reagent in the presence of phenolics, resulting in the production of blue solution that is measured by spectrophotometer. Now determination of flavonoids. In this method we use aluminum chloride colorimetric method, and we use quercetin as standard curve, and we use spectrophotometer, which is wavelength is 510 nanometer. Now UV spectrophotometer measure. In this method we dilute our extracts by using 100 microliter of extracts mixed with 7.9 ml of extract solvent, and run the absorption in a spectrophotometer to find the maximum wavelength of our extracts. Now results. Total phenolic results. This is the gallic acid curve, and for calculation we use the equation is y equal 0.0032x plus 0.0178, and this graphic is for our samples. We found the amount of phenolic compound in the leaves is more than the phenolic compound in the flowers. Now this is the ultrasonic extract curve. Also we found the amount of phenolic compound in leaves more than the phenolic compound in the flowers. Therefore we understand the total phenolic content of leaves were higher than the flower in all conditions, which indicate the leaves of the plant is richer in phytochemicals than the flowers. Now flavonoid determination result. This is the quercetin standard curve. For calculation we use the equation y equal 0.0033x plus 0.0437, and this is our samples curve, which we found the flavonoid amount in the leaves of the plant is higher, amount of flavonoid higher than the flavonoid amount of flowers. Therefore we understand the leaves of the plant is richer in phytochemical than the flowers. Now the ultrasonic extract curve. Also we found the amount of flavonoid in the leaves is more than the flavonoid amount in the flowers. Therefore we understand the total flavonoid contents of the flower were higher than the flowers in the all condition, which is indicated the leaves of the plant is richer in phytochemicals than the flowers. Now UV spectrophotometer result. In this result we found three graphics: ethanol extract, methanol extract. In both ethanol and methanol extract we observe more than one peak at 200 to 400 nanometer, and in the acetonic extract we found peaks between 300 to 400 nanometer. Therefore we understand this result confirm our results of total phenol and flavonoid content of polygala major plant. Now Fourier transform infrared spectrophotometer result. This is our flowers FTIR, and this is the leaves FTIR, the first line for the raw flower sample, and these three lines for our extracts, three extract sample: acetone, methanol, and ethanol. Then there is the raw sample of leaves, and these are three extract sample, which are acetone, ethanol, and methanol, and we found the FTIR of our extracts has a hydroxyl group, which relates to phenols and alcohols, and we found aromatic group, carboxyl group, and non-aromatic groups, which is confirm our results of the total phenol and flavonoid of polygala major. References. Thank you.